Okay, we're gonna try it again. I'm back. Back into the clashings. Oh, I am so sorry. I've got a interesting. All right, so let me go ahead and leave this clash. Make sure that this is actually working. So, okay, I think we're good. Um, Go and clear out the old chats, and let's go ahead and open one of these up. Let's see if we're registering on there. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I think I was just trying to do too much and I crashed my own setup. I closed some things, cleaned some stuff up. So let's see. I want to get at least a good hour of some clashing in. So let's see if we can get that going. All right. So let me go ahead and start some clashes. Oh, throw a link in the chat. So I'm thinking there's a lot of stuff I got to figure out now that my thing switched to affiliate. I got to make sure that everything's set up right and all that. So yeah, just not my day. I got a little too confident, I guess, or something. I don't know, but well, what's going on? Oh, I have a. That's right. So this is going to. Oh no, that's okay. We can leave that like that. We need to do. All right, so here we go. We're doing some clashing. Let's do another one. All right, you were given a single string. You need to convert each character into its ASCII value and add the odd numbers together. Okay. All right, so odd characters need to be summed. So let's see. For char in word, let's do if ord char modulo 2 is not equal to 0, total plus equals ord char, print t equals 0, and oops. Okay. There we go. A little bit of good luck. So we got that. Let's go ahead and do that. That. C, 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 W. Oops. Okay. Let's get that down. Get that down. Ah, word is not defined. W, there we go. Okay, 65. Ooh. Second place isn't bad. I mean, considering that things are actually working, I think that's what I'm more concerned about right now. Like, we actually. Okay, there we are. There's me wandering around. Alright, attempt number 2. Add a stream today. Let's. Oh, we got some chatters. Are you kidding me? Is it doing this again? Okay, good. Sorry, got a little worried. Okay, so I did lose the chat, but let's see. I'm curious. Okay. Yeah, this is still a little rickety, and I'm not sure I'm liking this. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and do another one. I think it's just... Okay. There we go. Plop that in there. Okay. Is everything else looking good there? Okay. Thinking I might just delete the videos from today. I started off with a horrible learning Python stream at the very beginning because I'm trying to get that all squared away before I get too deep into streaming. So yeah, I think I need to just work on that today. So I'm thinking I'll do, a few clashes here. We'll see if we can keep it working. Then if not, um, yeah, then I think I'm gonna go work on my open source computer science project and finish up the Python section, or at least get it caught up to where my Java section is. Let's see. Hmm. I don't know if these are. Let's see. Yeah. Get out of here. All right. All right, reverse mode. We have that. Okay. Ah. What? Okay. Alright, well this one's pretty complicated, but basically what's going on here is we have the first input is the length that each line can be. And then, so what we need to do is we're doing a bunch of slicing, so we're going to need an index. Let's see, I equals 0. Now what we need to do is trying to think of a way to... Alright, so we're going to need a couple of loops. I'm thinking 2 loops, an inner and an outer, and the outer loop is going to terminate once I... Got it. Alright, so while I is less than length of n, no, text. And then I plus equals 1, so we'll do a little bit of that. Then, so now the inner loop, what we're going to need to do is now we need to do it, we'll do j equals 0, because that's what I'm used to with I and j for inner and outer for loops in other languages. Let's see. So, while j is less than n. Okay. Return string equals that. Alright, so almost thinking we'll need a third index as well, because so I'm going to be changing I. Let's print it out. So return string plus equals text at I. Okay. I plus equals 1. So we're going to be moving the index, and then here we actually set, let's see. Um, Not sure who JPages is, but what's up, Morgan? Welcome back to the stream. Hopefully it's a little less buggy. JPages stole my picture I used for my LinkedIn and business email. Oh, well, I don't know who JPages is, but my picture is actually my own little artwork there. So that's a piece of graffiti that I used to, or I mean art, yeah. So all my images are self-made. Or not really. I have the same picture for like all my LinkedIn and all this stuff. It's like 10 years old. Let's see. Hmm. I'm sorry, JPages ripped off your picture. Let's see. Okay. Alright, so let's see. I've done a challenge with this scrolling text before. I'm just trying to remember. I got too many moving parts going on right now. So we've got the index is going to be, so the inner loop, then print return string, then return string equals an empty one, then I don't know. Yeah, let's do a third one. K equals 0. So, alright, so we have okay. So we'll actually, let's see. No, that's not gonna work. Um, hmm. So the inner, let's see. So we're building a string every time, and then we print the string, and then, okay. So then trying to think of a condition to tell when we're done. So, because my original thought was making I increment for each of the indices of the inputs of the text. Then once I is equal to that final one, yeah, see why I is less than length text, and then I is going to continue to increment. But the problem that I'm running into is we're incrementing I like 3 times in here, and then we're resetting it. So this is not good because that's going to close it way too early. Hmm. Let's see. Hmm. Okay, so the very first one would be that I plus equals 1, and then I got it. I underscore 2 equals 0. Because I need, basically need to split I, because I can't be changing it. I need I to, you know, to keep track of the indice. for where we're at in the word. But now, I2, I2 increments, I increments, okay, and then I2 let's see. Hold on, so now we need it to be 1 here, or well, the next one. So we started off. No. I almost want to make it yet another index. Because, so it's 0 here, and then every time we print this, then we increment where we're starting I2 at. So actually, I mean, I guess it doesn't matter here because this is going to affect it, but so we print it, we change it to something equals well, here we got scrolling I equals 0. There we go. Scrolling I plus equals 1. So now then I2 equals scrolling I. There we go. So now we're not changing scrolling I, and scrolling I will go through every time after we print. So that's good. So that's going to start that. Now what we need to do, this is going to hit way faster. Oh, I got it. So for the ultimate one, okay, we can do, so we want I to hit the length of text minus 1 to hit that D, like to be the very last letter in the string. So we're changing I, we're incrementing it all the way through. And what I need to do is I minus equals N. There we go. I think that should work. We didn't even need J. So now, well, yeah, let's do that. So J equals 0, and then in here, J plus equals 1. So I know I have some extra stuff in here I don't need. I'm just trying to figure out how to make it not crash, not infinite loop, and make it all the way through. And then if this works, it should work for all of them. It's just really bulky. So we've got a lot of moving parts going on. So return string will be at that. That's at the scrolling I, and scrolling I changes to that because that's going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way up until, and then ooh, actually no, that's going to be an infinite loop too. I don't think we're doing too well on this one because when I reset I, or I decrement it by N, that's never going to hit that. So while I plus N, maybe that might be a way to do it. Nah, because then that's even, yeah. Don't think we're gonna get this one. Let's see. Got it. Uh, hmm. I mean, I got a really easy way. If length text is less than or equal to n, print text. Else, and then we got all of this nonsense. Can we tab it all at once? Yes, there we go. It's an easy way. I mean, we'll come up with that. So, at least there's that. Um, it's gonna crash. Yep, there we go. String index, outer range. Ooh, let's see, we're getting something here. So, so we're not incrementing. Wait a minute. 3.145. So, yeah, 20 seconds. Yeah, that's fair. Alright. Yeah, we'll time out on this one. Can't get them all. I mean, it's close. We would just need to have changed what that inner one is, because you can see we're printing it out like it's only that size, but we just weren't changing. Ah, thanks for the follow, Itachi. Welcome to probably one of the biggest struggle bus days of my streaming career. It's still pretty new. I've only been streaming for a few months, but already I tried to do a stream this morning, didn't work. Anyways, oh, I do want to see. Let's see what people that it successfully did. Okay, let's see a little bit. I mean, that's cool. That's really concise. Yeah. I think text minus n plus 1. Okay, yeah, 'cause see that's similar to what I was trying to do with making the terminating condition like the length minus n, so it would still go through. Let's see. Is this one a little more? No, these are all. I mean, really good. It'd be good for shortest mode, but hard to tell what's going on in here. Slick. I like it. Let's see a Java. Yeah, see, Java is just not fair for shortest. You got all this extra stuff going on, but nice. All right, well, let's see if I can get a better Clash. Well, not a better one. That one was a really good one. I liked it. I mean, it was very. The algorithm was cool. It was a really neat trick to do. So there's the link there. Oh, geez, it started quick. All right. Okay, fastest. You have intercepted an enemy communication, but the signal is encrypted. However, you know that the message was encrypted using the following algorithm. Okay, so we got a reverse encrypt, or a decrypt based on this. So for every letter in the message, write an integer e representing the distance of that letter from the letter z in the English alphabet. For spaces, write a value of -1. You must decrypt. Okay, so I think I got this. Oh, although my computer, like, I didn't get a chance to really save that chat. Do I have it in here? Yes, I do. So I have all the chat from today's session. So I'm going to try that again. I was doing that in the very first one. So we have letters. We're doing a dictionary again. Let's see. We had to do import string. And then what we were using, D equals character I plus 96 for I in range. So, and actually, this is going to be a thing. Well, let me go ahead and write it. So we're just trying to make a dictionary. And then, so D equals, I have a few different things here. Let me find, because it's really slick. Yeah, there we go. Import string D equals dictionary from keys. And this is where we were trying to, I was able to get the dictionary. Let's see. So dict from keys. Let's see. And then this is where we have string dot ASCII lowercase comp1. So this will actually, if we do this, so print D, you'll see that we got a dictionary, but they're all 0. So for now, so now we have a dictionary. I think we can actually loop through and adjust the values in the dictionary. Let's see. I mean, there's a few ways we could do this. We can manually loop through and change each. Okay, yeah. Index equals 25, I'm thinking. So, let's see. Actually, I think I got a different way to do this. Return string equals that. Oh, oops. Return string plus equals. Wait. If e equals -1, return string plus equals a space. Else, there we go. Return string plus equals, and now we just need to calculate how far away, or so this is the number. So it's like ord z minus that. Okay, so so char representation of the value that is found ord z minus e. Maybe? And then we need to do z. Okay, I think we'll get close with this. Print return string. Oh, we don't need the dictionary again. Is that it? Is that all it was? Nice. Okay. That wasn't too bad. Okay. Third place. Alright. Not a lot of profile pictures. Belarus. Poland. Nice. Georgia. US. And France. Okay, cool. Well, let's go ahead and let's do another. Yeah, because I want to get a good chunk of actual good clashes. Make up for those bad streams earlier today. Alright, there's the link. There we go. Alright, reverse mode. DNA. So, DNA dict equals A T A C G and C. Okay, there we go. So we got our dictionary. For char in DNA, return string plus equals DNA dictionary of char. Print return string. Return string equals empty string. There we go. Bada bing. Nice. See, now we're getting some easier ones. That's not bad. Alright, let's do another. Should I leave that up? That one was pretty straightforward. Plus, I think these are some bots. I think the Wolf is a bot. And I want to say this one is Super Muppet. I apologize if you're not, though. But, I mean, I recognize those things. Anyways, let's go into another. Okay, got a link. And that. Whoa. Venezuela. Nice. I don't think I've seen anyone from Venezuela yet in here. Okay, fast. Let's go ahead and see how we can do this. Get out of here. Alright. Your program must compute the value of a linear function at the given points. A linear function is in the form of... Okay, so we need to substitute, do some algebra. Okay, for in range of n. Two space integers a and b. So a and b are always going to be that. Alright. And then integer n. So that's how many times we got to calculate this. And then... So print... a times x plus b. So we need to do print string of a times n plus b. Is it that easy? 13. Why does it not change? Expected 38. Let's see. So that was the first one. Okay, wait a minute. So we need to change something. Okay, so we're getting 13 three times. So what am I missing? We need to change something. Let's see. X. No. I. Wait, x equals input. Oh, okay. So it is still... Wait a minute. No. Why is that equals int input? Wait, didn't I just have that? Alright. That's silly. Okay. I changed it and then I changed it back and it worked. Cool. So basically what I was thinking is... yeah. Because n was just like how many times we do it. There was a different input every time, so... Let's see. Yeah. So that's the function, and then... Okay. Alright. I'm okay with that. Let's do another. Oh geez, I got a lot of these. Hold on first. Let's get the link and throw that in there. And let's clean out some of these chat rooms. Okay, there we go. Alright, another fastest. Print a checklist of the given numbers where every odd number is ticked. Number count of integers to check. Oh. Okay. Mm. If n modulo 2 equals 0, print is that lowercase x, uppercase x? There we go. I think that should do it. Oh. There we go. Ah, we weren't quite fast. We got close third. Alright. Now, do we have... And how did they do it? Ooh, that's fancy. So if that evaluates to true, do that, else do that. Okay, and then it's clever. Let's see here. Oh, very similar. I mean, a similar setup. Let's see. Alright. Hey, what's up, Spidziel? You're talking, is comma instead of plus? Oh, yeah, right, there's, yeah, it could have been comma and then n. That way I wouldn't have to cast it as string. And then that would have already added the space. Yeah, yeah, you're right. You definitely, I could have done that. I don't know. When I'm racing, I kind of just do it. I revert back to my old ways of kind of sloppy coding. But yeah, you're right. That is a better way to do it. Then you wouldn't have to do all this extra formatting stuff. So either way, not bad. Everyone got done pretty quick there. Cool. Yeah. Welcome. Welcome to the fun debacle that is my streaming today. But I think we got it going now. I mean, it only took a few tries. There's the link. Alright. Wow, I got more followers on here. Sorry. I try to follow everyone on CodinGame that follows. Let's see. Given a string, return the string with a space separating each group of consecutive identical characters. Case matters. Okay, so let's see, is this fastest mode? Alright, so we're going to do I equals in while I is less than length of s. And then what we're going to do is return string equals an empty one. If s at I plus 1 is not equal to s of I, rs plus equals a space, else rs plus equals s at I, increment that I think that should work. No, string index out of range, minus 1. That's right, because we're checking them as we go. A, B, C, A. Oh! Okay. if they're not equal, okay. Oh, whoa. Oh, okay. Okay, we're getting closer. So now we're putting the space in the wrong place. Hmm. What's that you got going there? Print F of... I'll try it. Let's see what that is. F of... Don't know if that's... Is N the, would be like S? Huh. Let's see. Well, I'm close to getting it with this other way. I'm just having an issue with my indexing. Oh, actually, you know what? I think I got it. I was thinking about it backwards. Yep, there we go. No? Okay, and now... Ah, thanks for the follow, Daniel. Okay, so what we've got going on here is... Let's see. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, sorry, there is that lag. Kind of that goes back and forth. Let's see. I think I got it, though. Is that all of them? There we go. Alright, fastest. Although it was just me and one other person, but from Croatia. Nice. Alright. Oh, and I haven't been checking these chats. Of course, I don't really know what to say about that one. I can't really explain that algorithm very well. It made sense in my head. But, yeah. Let's keep her going. And then throw that in there. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. And I could probably clear these. Now I wonder where I'm at. Let's see. Okay, it is. Yeah, there's me wandering around. Alright, let me look at my thing here, because I'm trying to get that 500 clashes. Where am I at? Go all the way down. Yeah, 270, so I'm over halfway there. It's going to be a while, but that's okay. Oh, oops, my phone. There we go. What's going on here? Okay. No mobile dashboard. All right. Go ahead and launch Clash. Uh-oh. Wait, what just happened? I'm welcomed back to the chat room. Did it crash again? Interesting. Alright. So... Oh, I know how to do this. I know this one. Let's see. I want to evaluate math expression Python. There's a command. Let's see. Without built-in functions in Python. No. Get value. There we go. Print get value s. Do I have to import something for that? Oh no, that's define a function. What? Evaluate. No, what's that? I think I'm seeing everyone else's. Yeah, that's something that they're eval. Is that it? Okay. It's doing something. Why does it not work on... Okay. 1 plus 2 is... Let's see, what did test 1 say? 7. Why is it saying... Oh, is it... Uh-oh, are we gonna have to do a whole... Yes, exactly, money gas, eval. That's what I was looking for. But it's not working because the way that they're doing it, they're not following the order of operations. It's 1 plus 2 and then multiplied by 3. So it's really... Oh. Eval 3 minus 2. Oh yeah, that was the... Sorry, I'm hopping around. Like, I worked on this. Oh yeah, that's fine, because that's just what it is. It's just 112. Let's see, I was getting -1 on this one, test 4. Yeah, 3 minus 2. That's because they're doing 1 plus 3 is 4, times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So I think I do have to do a running total of... I wonder if there's a... Actually, let me... Eval Python. There might be a way to do it. Let's see. Evaluates the given string like a Python expression and returns a number as the result of that evaluation. Let's see. I don't think there's a way to make the eval function ignore order of operations. Yes, exactly. It's not hidden. Oh, well, this just got a lot more complicated if eval doesn't work. So then I have to like do a split, check if it's an operand, calculate that. Um, I really don't want to go ahead and do that because I've done that. I've built a calculator in JavaScript doing something similar like this, taking terms and then checking if it's a plus, do this, and so on. Um, so if I'm going to go about it that way, I'm trying to think about the easiest way to do that. I mean, automatically thinking a split so we can get the terms isolated and then doing for each term in it. Yeah, we'll do ops equals s dot split, and then it's either an operator or operand. Let's see. I equals 0 while I is less than length ops. Okay, I plus equals 1. So now if we're going to do this, we need to, oh, and then sum. Total. Actually, we're going to need it plus equals 2, and then minus 1. This makes sense in just a second. So what we're doing here is ops at I, and it's really I plus 1. So if ops plus 1 equals plus, do something. Elif okay, minus divide, okay, elif multiply. Okay, so total plus equals ops at I plus ops at I plus 2. There we go. And what is this? Literal, yes. So int so I think this should work, and then we could do it for all of them, and then we can do okay, and then will that work? I don't know. Let's see. Let's give it a whirl. No. Okay. So now, actually, we don't have any divide in here, do we? No. So it's never gonna be that. All right. Actually, that should be 3, I believe. While this is minus 3, let's try that. Okay, no. Let's change that back to 2. I mean, I'm just messing around at this point. Let's see. Oh, right. And actually, I gotta change it a little bit more. So we're changing the total for a subtraction. It would actually be minus equals, and we could just do yeah, I think we need to do that. So where we're at I plus 2. So if it would be plus 1 would be the operand, and plus 2 is the second one. Okay, and then so then if we add it, then even though we don't really have a divisor, they might throw one. And then there we go. That should work better. Now I think alright, so let's think about this. The first time through, we're evaluating ops at the next one, so that would be a minus. Okay, and all that. And now, to go to the next iteration, we gotta go, let's see, that's 0, 1, 2. So from 0 to 3, although, wait a minute. That would work if we had groupings of those terms, but as it is, we're starting with the first one, and if it's a plus, then you add, okay, minus that. Really, we just gotta, it's adjusting this and this, I think, are the only things left. Plus equals 2, let's say, because let's see, we have these three for the first iteration. Then we consume that, and then now if ops, this one is that, then we do that. So this becomes 1. So we're at 0, 1, 2. 3, so it's still plus 3 for the next iteration. No, because going back and forth a lot on this. So it's yeah, out of range. Minus 1, because we're going to be checking. No, that's still giving us. So what the problem is, oh, I wasn't even looking at the right one. I was thinking of, anyways. So if we're doing this one, so the first iteration through, we've got the ops, and then we're checking, okay, so if it's that, then we change the total, we're adding ops of I plus 2, so plus 1 would be the operand, or operator, and then plus 2 would be the operand. So that, yeah, I think this section of code is fine, but then it's almost like I would want to pop those out of the list and then just deal with it there, because this becomes a number, so this becomes 3, and now we're evaluating 3 times. Oh, we could do target equals ops at 0, so okay, wait a minute, no, might not be able to crank this one up, because my thinking behind that is if we actually just change these into a new value, so target is the 1, and then as we go through the expression we continue to change target to whatever like this would evaluate to. So 1 plus 2, so total plus equals target. Yeah, so that's why I'm saying like I want to change the target. So first the target is 1, and then whatever we do with it, like if we're adding, subtracting, or whatever, there we go. And then at the end, I would do target equals see what I'm saying? You got to change, you got to continue to change the left side of the equation and then adjust it accordingly. So it would be, yeah, so it starts as 1. Try to do total equals ops. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I like it. Exactly, because that's what I'm trying to do with target, but then, oh yeah, because we don't, if it is a running total, and then, wait, what's this? Total plus equals, why did this change? String and int, oh, we need to do int. Yes. Alright, does that? Perfect. Wait, no. That's just because 2 is always going to be correct. Alright, so, I'm closer, so 3. So now I need to fit, 11 seconds. No, I like what you're thinking, Raffin Kiri. I'm sorry, I brutalized that. But yeah, I like your suggestion. That's what I was trying to do. but not quite enough. I think now I just needed to adjust the indices, and that would have been a little better. Oh, I got 14. No, we did. Alright. So, let's do a few more, because I feel like I got gypped earlier. Let's see. Or, well, the clashes got gypped. We didn't really... Ah, yes, that's a bot. Ron Burgundy. Is this a bot? Friends. Oh, no. Wait, did I put... Okay. We'll at least do a couple more. Build a community. GG's. Or good luck, have fun. Alright. Thanks for the follow, Raf. Let's see, shortest mode. You were given C integers, find their arithmetic mean. Oh man. Av equals 0. Av plus equals none. Oops. Okay. Now, need to get it short. And we're going to do A. Take out all the spaces. C. There we are. And did I break anything? It should be N. Nice. Okay. Let's close this out. Don't think I can get that any smaller. Bada bing. Yeah. Although now, I'll wait a little bit and try to figure out how to go about this. Because I don't want to be rude and rush you. Let's see. I almost wonder if I could do 2 clashes. Okay. Well. Let's see how they did it. Yep. Finding the average. Although, that's not really shortest though. You'd want to take all these out and remove all that. It works. Ah, 57. How'd you do? Well, okay. I don't know what you did there, but that's awesome. That's is that Chinese? Throw that in a translator. I don't know. That's pretty cool. I don't know how that works or whatever that is, but nice. And you won. You got first. GG. Very schnazzy. All right. Don't think we got anyone else. All right. Let's do another. Oh wow. Oh jeez. Sorry. Oh. Oh, and I didn't get the link either. Sorry. I mean, I got this. That's as much as I got. Sorry. What's that? Yeah. Yeah. Golfing. The shortest. Let's see. Let's see. So we got a. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So are we printing the number of space? No. That's. What? Hashes equals input dot split. Have an idea. For item in hashes. Return string plus equals length. Yep, split so we can get that, and then the length of item. It's just it, really. Oh, and then string. Let's see, return string equals that. And print return string. Chop off the last one, and then I also want to do rs plus equals. I need to do string. There we go. We're a little confused. No? I guess it's irrelevant. The white space, it's just made to throw you off. Okay. Cool. Well, reverse. Word. We got it. Alright. Let's see. Dot count. Yeah, yeah, that's one way you could do it. You could have definitely done it that way. I was just thinking length of being lazy, but yeah, see, they did it that way too. They count of that. No, wait a minute. That. Huh. Well, that worked. That was nice. Alright, let's do another. Let's try to get it this time. There we go. I got the link. Oh, we don't need that one. Or should I do a... Well, I should do a... I need to figure out a better way to do private clashes. I apologize. We could figure something out like that. Let's see. Closest number of the Fibonacci. Ah. Maybe I should have quit while I was ahead. Let's see, because this one, I'd want to say that we need to calculate the Fibonacci sequence and then um, find the difference of the one closest to it, or something like that. Let's see. Oh man. Well, hmm, nah, I'm not gonna do it. Calculating the pain. I want to do one. Well, let's end on a good note. And all right. Oh, geez, no. Why do every problem is so hard? Yeah, that's like, I've done Fibonacci a lot. I don't know. I'm just not a big fan. Let's do another clash. One more and then I'll take a break. I need to go figure out some more stream stuff too, because oh whoops, I almost pasted this into the clash chat. There we go. Okay. Ah, there we go. Welcome back, Mawa. Sorry about that. I was trying to. It's tough because I'd want to do a private clash, but then it doesn't really make sense if there's just a couple of us. Like yesterday, we had like 100 people in here, so it made sense to do a private clash. Or actually, it ended up being 40 for the average, but like still, with that many people, private clash doesn't make sense. But until then, it's just if it's just a couple of people, you know. Let's see. All right, remove globally the lowest letter. Okay. Mins equals 999 for char in s if ord char less than mins. Of the first lowest letter. Let's see. Clash of code. So that'd be A. S dot remove. Oh. Hmm. Okay. Now let's think about this. Hmm. Ends equals or dot char. Actually, wait. C equals just an empty character. C equals char. Okay. return string, else. No. Okay. Print return string. Clash of code. Okay, so so let's see what that is. Ah, thanks for the follow, Irvin. Trying to figure this out. I mean, it's really hacky. I'm sure there's cleaner ways to do this, but so removed equals true. Okay. So C needs to change. Whoops. Yeah, replace. Now, would it be so I like that. Don't get me wrong, but the problem is if there's two of them, because isn't it just the first? Remove globally the lowest letter. Oh, no. I guess it would be. Oh wow, you guys got done all quick. Okay, so but then this is a problem because this isn't changing. We're getting, you know. Oh, actually, wait. No, it is. Found a right to JavaScript. Okay, yeah. So print s dot replace c comma there, and then if we ignore all this other stuff, hello world. Oh, whoops. And char is not equal to. There we go. I was thinking that you're only supposed to replace the first one. So okay. Well, now I want to do another one. Let's keep going. Why not? Uh, oh jeez, no. Jumping into a full clash. Just the random stuff in these chats. Alright. Anyways. Now let's do one. Yes, yes, the space. Yeah. GG's. You're right. That was let's throw this in there. Sorry. We'll get that before I start rambling. Yeah, that's why I had to add that. And is not equal to space. Nice, you got in. Cool. Alright, hopefully this is a good one to end on. Alright, fastest mode. On an e-commerce website, we need to generate a star rating system based on all ratings a product has received, rounded down. Okay, so okay. So times stars. Mm. Char in n, if char is not equal to a space or a comma, total plus equals char. This is really hacky. If I count, ooh, to av equals 0, av equals stars, if I count av. We get it? No. Almost got it. Let's see what's wrong with this. 15. Let's print n. What do we have here? Two point five, 2.5, 2.5. Ah, okay. It's expected 2. Path dot floor float char. Let's take that back out. Let's see if that got it. No, could not convert string to float. Why? Because we had 2.5. I'm close. Alright. Could not convert string to float. Well, that's the whole point of, you got it. Good job. GG Mawa. You got it before I did. Bro. Alright, must be a real number, not string. Yeah, so that'd be... You can't do int. So I was having an issue with that. So if we do... Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What are we doing? There we go. So when I had it that... I mean, it doesn't matter because int should already cut that off to just a 2. No, that's not going to work either, because if you replace that, and then that would actually make... Crud. The average must be floored. Alright. Ah, okay. That makes sense. Yeah, let's do that. Although I think, no, it was having problems. Well, here, I'll try that, and then we'll do math.floor. Uh, yeah, because see, it's having a problem with up here on line 16. So right here, it's trying to split by. Oh, yeah. Yeah, then it could do. Yeah, that's a whole nother way to think about it. If you split it by commas, then you could have like a. But I wonder if that. Hmm, let's see. Well, I want to get 100%. Let's go ahead and try that. So we could do items equals n dot split comma. Okay, so now and then we do for item in items have plus equals int item. And count could equal length items. And if we commented this out, this still work? No, it broke. Oh, stars. No, it still has a problem with that. Yeah, see, I tried doing int times. So right here, that's why I'm confused, because if we do, let's uncomment this out, and then, um, if we do that, if we go back to the way we had it a little while ago, see, that's what I'm trying to do, the int, so it would, truncate that 0.5. Stars plus equals int char. Yeah, it should concatenate it right there. Or I mean not concatenate, it should truncate. So invalid literal for int with base 10. It's weird that it has a oh, because it's trying to convert the, let's see here, replace int item with float item. Oh, and then we could do the, go back to the floor. That's a thought. Let's do, I mean, since we are doing the floor of that, let's see. Nice. Good call. Good call. All right. Well, we still beat one person. uh, oh well, but that's all right. We got 100%. I think that'd be okay. Okay, so now that I'm affiliate and everything, and I need to start improving my streaming game, I want to start doing a thing where I end every stream with a raid, if I know how to raid. Actually, I don't know how to raid. That could be an issue. How do we raid? Well, I might have to figure that out, but coming soon, we're going to start raiding people to end streams. Let's see. Do we have a... What is this? Record video. Here we go. Let's, hmm. This might not be it. Okay, never mind. I have no idea how to raid, so I'm gonna look that up, and then we're gonna start doing that when we get streams. So just be mindful that's gonna come up. But for now, I had fun. It was definitely better than my first two streams of the day. Those were pretty. We're just gonna pretend those didn't happen. I'll go ahead and delete those videos. So, but for now, thanks for stopping by, everybody, and yeah, you have a nice day too, Raf. Everyone, that was really fun. So, all right, until next time. See everyone later.